Ayodhya are really excited and they are waiting for the day to come on August 5 when Prime Minister comes here and when Bhumi Pujan event takes place. After that, laddus will be distributed among the people. And right now, we are present in Mahavir Temple in Ayodhya, where around 51,000 laddus are being prepared by Sri Mahavir Mandir Nyas Samiti. And you can clearly see the kind of preparations that are now taking place. These laddus are being packed in small packets, which will be distributed among the people of Ayodhya after the Bhumi Pujan ceremony takes place. You can also see that these are the small packets. Those have already been packed, and these packets will be distributed among the people after the Bhumi Pujan. And people are really excited, and this is being done under the supervision of Sayan, who is also taking care of all the arrangements of this preparation. You are doing a great job. You are going to distribute these packets among the people on Bhumi Pujan Day. What all have you used to make this up?
At the onset, we have arranged for besan from Australia, which is considered to be the superior quality among besan. In Bihar and Uttar Pradesh, there is a lack of A2 cow milk, which is the Desi breed. So we have arranged it from Karnataka. There is a company called Nandini, which is a subsidiary of Karnataka government. So we have arranged ghee from there. Sugar have been arranged from Uttar Pradesh, and the people who are doing this job, they are from Tirupati. So there is a cultural connect between all of them, and we have united the significance of Ram, who thought of India as one country, and whose brother Bharat signified the name of the country, Bharatiya.
And also I would like to ask, how are you going to distribute it? Are you planning to give it to Ram Janmabhoomi Trust, and what are your plans?
First, we will make these laddu available to the trust tomorrow, and then they will distribute the laddus. After that, the rest laddus, from 1,25,000 laddus, 51,000 will be given to the trust. And the rest laddus we will distribute by ourselves. And in the ancient times, Ram traveled across the country to recover Sita Mata and also to study. So we will distribute the laddus everywhere his footsteps were, wherever he went. So you
can really see the kind of preparations those are now taking place ahead of a Bhumi Pujan event where people are really excited, and you can see that how 51,000 laddus are being prepared and also being.
And we're also getting you viewers visuals, the proposed model of the Ram Temple, the foundation stone laying ceremony of which will be held in UP's Ayodhya tomorrow. Let's take a look. In fact, these are the visuals on your screen right now, viewers, of the proposed model of the Ram Temple. And this is the first visuals on your screen. The event of the stone laying ceremony will be held tomorrow in presence of the Prime Minister himself. And this on your screens right now is the proposed model of the Ram Temple, the foundation stone laying ceremony of which will be held in UP's Ayodhya tomorrow. We slip into a very short break now, viewers. We'll come back with lots more from Ayodhya and ground reports. Stay tuned.